What's up, guys? Welcome to Jason Racing. My name is Jason. Today is Saturday, so generally speaking, on the weekends we're very busy, so we really don't have a lot of time to be in the workshop. But it's very early in the morning. It's only 8 o'clock. So what I'm going to do real quick is find a set of slicks, find some tire blankets, and also I'm gonna install the 28R onto the cart again, and then we're gonna shoot a couple of laps on the track with the GoPro and see if we can get any decent laps on camera. So yeah, I think today there's really not much I can do in the workshop, but maybe throughout the day I can just show you guys how busy we are at the track. But anyway, so let's get started. Alright, so the engine is now finally installed onto the cart. Now what I need to do is just find a set of slicks and have them installed onto this cart, and also get the tire blankets out to warm up the tires. So let's go. Let's find the tire warmers. And the tire blankets is here. Yep, there we go. These are the tire blankets. Yeah, that's it. CRG. So I've got all the tires ready. These are old MG, so you know, not the best, but should do the job. I'm only recording a few laps anyway, doesn't really matter. I've got tire blankets, so yeah, now it's just a matter of moving everything to the pit lane and getting ready for the demo lap. Guys, we're now at the pit lane. I've got all the tire blankets on, but the one problem that I think we have as a major issue with the engine is that the engine vibrates so much that the idle screw of the carburetor has dropped, this one, which is pretty bad. And I found out that the engine mount screw has dropped as well, so that's also a problem. But that's something that I've researched quite a bit online, and really there isn't any solution to that unless you're like a, you know, multiple cylinder engine. If you're a single engine, it's impossible to fix. With multiple cylinders, you can sort of offset the timing of each cylinder and sort of balance out the vibration, but not with this. So unfortunately, we just gotta have to think of other solutions, maybe like with a zip tie or something. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna get ready to get on a track. There's someone on the track right now, but after that, should be able to get a couple of laps in. So hopefully it won't have any issues. Anyway, that's it for now. Talk to you later. All right, guys, so we just finished a couple of laps on the new engine. The only problem we encountered was the carburetor falling off. a few times, but that's easily solved because the current tube that we're using to connect the carburetor to the engine is not going to be the final product anyway. We're using like a very shitty solution, so you know, it's not a problem. Yeah, in a small track like this, I didn't really have any problems with high-end throttle bogging, because you know, you're not really using wide open throttle for that long, so the high-speed fuel compensation thing really didn't even kick into effect. So yeah, but there was an instant where I heard a bit of bogging. It was like during corner 4, 5, 6 or something like that. It was like a wide open throttle for quite a while, so it started to choke a little bit. So yeah, on a big track, the current setup will not do. So when I go home, I'm probably gonna reduce the size of the pilot jet by 1 size, and then I'm gonna take the car to the track just to see how it goes. And yeah, I think with the current performance, I think we're all very happy with it. It's really, really quick. All right, guys, so strangely enough, today is actually pretty quiet for some reason. Usually on the weekends, it's very, very busy. For some reason, today, there's only like a few sets of maybe 4 or 5 customers, and that's it. Like just groups of 4 and 5. You know, I mean, some of them do give us a bit of trouble, like, you know, they crash all over the place and stuff. But other than that, there really isn't a lot of people today for some reason. Very strange. Maybe later in the day we'll have more groups, I don't know. But I know that tomorrow there's going to be like a sort of a huge group, like 60, 50 people, something like that. That's more like a corporate outing sort of thing. But yeah, today's a bit weird. Anyway, I'll see if there's any more people later on.